We can't connect to the store. Error 0x80072EFD. Microsoft Store, OneNote, Windows Update, same code, same fixes. Try them in order in under 3 minutes. The Microsoft Store loads but throws that error the moment you try to download anything. Or OneNote on your desktop says it can't connect, but you open the website and your notes are all there. Or this started after setting up a new PC or switching networks. This is it. I've cleared this on new machine setups, corporate networks, and fresh Windows installs. Easiest fix first. Right-click the clock in the bottom right corner of your screen. Click Adjust Date and Time. Make sure Set Time Automatically is on. If it already is, toggle it off, wait 2 seconds, back on, click Sync Now. If your clock was wrong, that's your fix. Try connecting again and skip to the end. If time was already correct, go to Fix 2. This is the most common hidden cause. Your PC is trying to route traffic through a server that no longer exists. Press Windows key plus R, type netcpl.cpl. A window called Internet Properties opens. Click the Connections tab. Click LAN Settings at the bottom. You'll see two checkboxes. Check Automatically Detect Settings. Uncheck Use a Proxy Server for your LAN. Click OK again. Restart your PC. Try connecting again. Fixed? Skip to the end. Still failing? Go to Fix 3. Press the Windows key. Type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt. Run as administrator. Click Yes. These two commands just clear stale connection data, nothing permanent. Type each one and hit enter. ipconfig /flushdns netsh winsock reset. Restart your PC. Try again after it boots. OneNote specifically. App won't sync, but the website works. Open your browser. Go to office.com. Sign in. Open OneNote. Open the notebook that's failing. Once it loads, look at the top ribbon. Click File, Edit in Desktop App. OneNote Desktop will pull that notebook directly from the server instead of trying to resync locally. If it opens without the error, right-click the notebook name in the sidebar and hit Sync to lock it in. Open the app that was failing and try again. If it connects and completes without that dialog, you're done. You just fixed it yourself. Subscribe so the next person finds this too. Still getting it? Drop a comment, tell me which app is hitting in, and I'll help you out. Still getting it? Drop a comment, tell me which app it's hitting in, and I'll help you out.